In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a cycle plot in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and get a blank worksheet ready. A cycle plot is helpful when you want to show repeating patterns or seasonal trends over time. This could include things like monthly sales, website traffic, temperatures, or production output. The goal is to make those recurring patterns easier to see at a glance. To begin, enter your data into the worksheet. Put the months in one column and the values in another. For example, you might have month in the first column and sales in the second. Then list your monthly values from January through December. A sample set could look like this: January 1200, February 1350, March 1500, April 1450, May 1600, June 1750, July 1800, August 1700, September 1650, October 1900, November 2100, and December 2500. Keeping the data clean and organized at this stage makes chart creation much easier. Once your data is entered, select the full data range. Next, go to the Insert tab, choose Line Chart, and then select the 2D line option. Excel will create a basic line chart from your monthly data. This gives you a simple trend line that already begins to show how values rise and fall over the course of the year. To highlight the cycle pattern more clearly, especially if you want to emphasize seasonality, you can add additional years as separate series. Right-click the chart and choose Select Data. If you have more than 1 year of monthly data, add each year as its own line. For example, you might arrange your table with month in the first column, then one column for 2024 and another for 2025. January could be 1000 for 2024 and 1200 for 2025. February 1100 and 1350, and March 1300 and 1500. When each year becomes its own line, recurring cycles become much easier to compare. After that, format the chart so it is easier to read. Add a clear chart title, such as Monthly Sales Cycle. Turn on data markers so each monthly point stands out. Show grid lines to help with visual comparison, and keep the axis scales consistent so the differences between years are represented accurately. If you want to build a more advanced cycle plot, you can use multiple years in one table, such as 2024, 2025, and 2026, all beside the month column. Then select the entire table, go to Insert, choose Line Chart, and let Excel plot each year as a separate line. This setup is excellent for comparing recurring seasonal patterns over time, and that's how to make a cycle plot in Excel